Well, this morning the discussion continues over health insurance coverage for families of law enforcement killed in the line of duty. Now that topic coming to the forefront after the death of Corporal Michael Middlebrook.
2 weeks ago, police officers and other law enforcement officials filled the Lafayette City Hall. Concerns were raised about what happens to the families of officers killed in the line of duty. And now they're back and voiced their concerns when the Police Association and the city parish government met last night. Our Danielle Garcia was at City Hall with the latest.
2 weeks ago, Corporal Michael Middlebrook was killed in the line of duty. This tragedy left officers to wonder what happened to the family of a fallen officer when it comes to health insurance coverage.
Right now, we're pretty much laying the groundwork for all the officers that are coming in the future. There's been discussion back and forth as far as what levels of coverage and everything. And so far, it's going on the right track as far as an amicable point for both parties. That way we can both look at it and come to a satisfactory conclusion.
The Police Association of Lafayette said they are pushing for the rate of coverage to stay the same for the family they leave behind.
Same continued coverage, or that the city would, at best, the city would at least pay the benefits or leave them on the insurance as is.
That is one of the things that we committed to look into to see if there's any other municipalities out there that have drafted ordinances that would allow for that. Legally, it's been getting a little complicated as it relates to health insurance just because it's a group plan that covers everybody, and it gets difficult when you try to treat one class of employee or citizen differently than everyone else.
The Police Association also says they feel confident that a resolution will be made, but it will take some time.
It takes time to research these things, introduce the policies, get them out to the public and get them voted on. I don't think there's a definitive time frame right now, but everyone is actively working on it.
I also spoke with Middlebrook's family attorney, who declined to go on camera, but she told me that she met with LCG's chief financial officer on Friday and that they did not come to an agreement. She adds that the family is going to continue this fight regarding health insurance benefits until a favorable outcome is reached for the Middlebrook family and other officers. In Lafayette, Danielle Garcia, KATC TV3.